This is a monster. Look at this equation. 3 plus 1 times 3 squared plus 1 times 3 to the 4th plus 1, all the way up to 3 to the 64 plus 1. If you tried to type this into a calculator, well, good luck. It will probably explode. The numbers are just too big. But we don't need a calculator. We need a weapon. And that weapon is hidden in basic algebra. Do you remember the difference of squares formula? A minus b times a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. This formula is the key. It turns multiplication into subtraction. Now look at our monster equation again. We have 3 plus 1. This looks like the a plus b part of our formula, but we are missing the a minus b part. We are missing 3 minus 1. So let's just put it there. But we can't just change the math. If we multiply by 3 minus 1, we must also divide by 3 minus 1. Since 3 minus 1 is just 2, effectively we are multiplying the whole thing by 2 over 2, which is 1, so we are safe. Now, watch closely. This is where the magic happens. The first two terms match perfectly. 3 minus 1 times 3 plus 1 becomes 3 squared minus 1. Now, look what just appeared. We created a 3 squared minus 1. And right next to it, waiting for us, is 3 squared plus 1. It's the same pattern again. Combine them, and you get 3 to the 4th minus 1. Do you see it now? It's a chain reaction, a domino effect. The 3 to the 4th term collapses, creating an 8. The 8 collapses, creating a 16. It goes on, destroying every single parentheses in the line. Finally, we reach the boss level, 3 to the 64 plus 1. The collapsing wave hits it, turning it into 3 to the 128 minus 1. But don't forget, we divided by 2 at the very beginning. So the final answer is simply 3 to the 128 minus 1 divided by 2. Math is not about calculating big numbers. It's about finding patterns. I'm StickMATH. Thanks for watching.